Hello, my name is Bruno Mututu and this is one of my videos for ALP2. The SLO covered in this video is determine the magnitude and direction of a vector. The magnitude of a vector is the distance between the initial point of the vector and the terminal point of the vector. It is sometimes called the length of a vector, and it is written as this absolute value of the vector. Direction of a vector. It is the measure of the angle the vector makes with the x-axis or the y-axis. It is given by the formula tangent of theta equals to y over x. The direction and magnitude are used to show if two vectors are equal, and to show that two vectors are equal, they should have the same magnitude and the same direction. So we'll start with the magnitude of the vector. So the magnitude is, let's say v is equals to x2, which is 10 minus x1 4 all squared, y2, which is 2 minus y1 negative 4 squared. This is 6 squared plus 6 squared, which is equals to 6 root 2. And to find the direction, we find the component form of the vector, which we just found here. So v is equals to 10 minus 4, 2 minus 4, which is equals to 6 and 6. So tangent of theta is equals to 6 on 6. Theta is equals to 10 inverse of 1. Theta is equal to 45 degrees, or pi on 4. Find the magnitude and direction of a video with initial point -3, 1 and terminal points 1 and 4. So to find the magnitude, let's say v will be equals to, let me make that straight. -1 minus 3 squared plus 4 minus 1 squared. This is equal to 4 squared plus 3 squared, which is equals to 5. So the magnitude is equals to 5, and the direction, the components for this is 1, -3, and 4 minus 1, which gives us 4 and 3. Tan theta is equals to y on x, which is equals to theta is equals to tan inverse of 3 on 4, which is equals to 36.8. Find the magnitude and direction of the following. I copied and pasted it on another page. So the magnitude for this is going to be 4 squared plus -4 squared. This gives us root 32, which is equals to 4 root 2, and the direction for this is tangent of theta equals to negative 4 on 4. Theta is equals to tan inverse of negative 1. Theta is equals to negative pi over 4, or negative 45 degrees. The magnitude of ST is given by ST square root of negative 2 squared plus 7 squared, which gives us root 53. That's our magnitude, and the direction is going to be tan theta equals to 7 on negative 2. Theta is equals to tan inverse of 7 on negative 2, which gives us negative 74.05. Show that the vector with initial point S, the given point and final point T is equal to the vector U and final point V 2, 4. So here we have to prove that these two vectors are equal, and they gave us the initial and final points. So let's start with the magnitude of ST, which is going to be equal to 4 minus 1 squared plus negative 1 minus 2 squared, which gives us root 10. And let's try for UV. 2 minus 1 squared plus 4 minus 3 squared, which gives us root 10 as well. So they have the same magnitude. And now we're going to find the components for ST, which is 4 minus 1 and negative 1 minus 2, which gives us 3 and 1. And the components for UV are 2 minus 1 and 4 minus 3, which gives us 3 and 1. So ST's angle will be tan inverse of,